Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through two methods you can use to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. So to get started with the first option among the two options that I have for you. So the first thing to do is you can use your bank to transfer from your Cash App to your Apple Pay. So to get started with that, first thing to do is to open your Cash App, then tap the money balance, then tap cash out, then enter the amount and choose the standard fee or the instant small fee, then confirm to send money to your link bank account. So for this to be processed, you have to make sure your bank account is linked to your Cash App. So once that is done, then on the step 2, you have to add money from your bank account to your Apple Pay. So the first thing to do is to open the wallet app on your iPhone, then tap your Apple Cash card, then tap add money, then enter the amount and confirm. Then you will move from, so money will move from your bank to your Apple Cash, and that's it. And here's another option: you can use the Cash App card with Apple Pay, which is very easy. To open the Cash App app on your mobile or your device, then tap the Cash Card tab, then tap add to PayPal and follow this step. Then once you're done, you can now spend your Cash App money directly from or with your Apple Pay, and that's it. Find the video upload, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.